Okay, Sheikh, two questions, if you want to just join them quickly. Eid, what if it's possible that, Allah knows the unseen, whether this will be lifted soon or not, but Salatul Eid, how would we live Eid really joyfully when we are isolated in our homes? What do you say about this?
Wallahi, it seems, wallahu a'lam, and according to my memory, which is very short span, that if, may Allah forbid,
Ameen.
and we are not able to pray Eid like every single year, that it is permissible for a person in his home to collect his family and pray the 2 rak'ahs of Eid. According to the majority of the schools of thought, if I'm not mistaken, and I remember correctly, this is permissible because qiyasan on the fact that when people go to the musalla and the imam has already finished the Eid, they can pray it on their own or with congregation alone while the imam is giving khutbah, or even when he has left, and Allah knows best.
Jazakallah khair, Sheikh.